Mr. Larry, okay, here's the instructions for this Google Sheets. Very simple to follow. Open up Google, so you see that in the center. Then you take your little mousey and you go way up there to that square. Click on it. Oh, come on. This again, you'll see that square up in the corner. Click on it. Then go down to, and then yours, it might be on the top, it might be on the bottom, wherever. But you're going to Google Sheets. And you should see Restaurant AZ menu on the top. Over here it says how many people are allowed in it. It says 3 people are sharing it. So then you click on that. Okay, I filled this out already. The top section is the headers, and that's what you'll be filling out. The next section is what you're putting into it. So the first section is the restaurant's name. I put Papa Joe's Restaurant. Advertiser's name, Active Medical Supplies. Advertiser's first name. First name only is fine. My name is, whatever it is. The advertisement cost of the ad that they bought on the menus. The credit. Now this is going to automatically do 50%. We could change that if we decide to, but it's going to automatically do 50%. So if I put a number in here, in fact, let's do this here. To duplicate that, click on the top one, drag your mouse down, as many as you want to go, and then hit Control D. Control D for down, and that will put that in there. That one. And this one here is, let's see, tables. Okay, advertiser's name is Marty. Advertising cost is $1,000. And that automatically made that one $500. That's 50%. The product they're buying from me is a video. So again, if you want to drag it down, click on video, drag it down one, and hit Control D. Okay, if you make a mistake somehow, just click on it and hit delete. The cost of the video is $200. Oops. Now this balance. The balance is going to be the amount they paid for the ad, which is $1,000. The credit they got, which is $500. The cost of the video is $200, and this $300 is $500 minus $200 is $300. So they have $300 left as credit towards another product. And if they do want another product, we put it on the next line, make another product out of it. The website, that's their website. I'm just going to drag this down. And we have to click one over, and that's their email address. That's it. You're done. Now you click, when you are done, you click share. And that's going to say who you're sharing it with. People with access is me, you, and me. Those are the only people that can get into this without showing, super credentials. I don't think... Okay, editor means you can make changes to the sheet any way you want to. Commentator means you can look at it and leave comments. Viewer means you can only look at it, but you can't leave comments. So you're the editor, and I'm the editor. I'm the owner of the sheet. Okay. Only people with access to the sheet can open it. And then you click on the bottom over here. It says, I gotta go higher then. Shit. Anyway, on the bottom it says done. So you click done, and you are done. Don't forget to click the share. That's the same as clicking save. And then when I go into it, I can look at it the same as you can. Okay, so now that you got the instructions and you got the sheet, do one or two, do whatever you want, but I want it back, so I want to make sure that you're doing it right. Appreciate it. Bye. Oh, and all of these things up here, you don't have to worry about a thing over there, okay? Uh, there's nothing in there that you should have to change. I did everything already.